Hey guys, welcome back to another Waka vlog. Today we'll be heading off to the Miracle Garden here in Dubai, which is the world's largest natural flower garden. If you're new here, my name is Abby and this is Waka. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of the content that I create. Now let's go to the Miracle Garden. So we just got to the entrance of the Miracle Garden. From Business Bay, we took the metro to Mall of Emirates, and then from Mall of Emirates, we took a taxi, which is around 31 dirhams. So this is like one of the cheap ways we've been able to travel around Dubai without spending so much. So see you guys in the garden. So I am standing behind an actual plane that is covered in flowers and it's still functional. You can see the fans are rolling. We're going through the garden anti-clockwise, so we're gonna walk our way around and then just walk through the middle. Also, I also see lots of spots with playground just by the side with kids playing. So yeah. This is a better view of the plane. Oh, this is the newest addition, which is a smart village. You can go in. I would say this is my favorite feature so far. Ooh. Now you're talking. This is so cool. Yeah. This is it. So refreshing, guys. We're back at the horses and is it? It's got a huge cat. There's an entrance or exit here. I am currently exiting the Miracle Garden. This is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.